To create a survey form for your session, you need to go to the session first and scroll down. And this is where you have to switch it on. Uh, and then if you also want to enable the survey form for each presentation in the session, then you also should switch this option on. And and this is where you can configure whether you want to display the survey form to all the attendees, or only to the ones who have checked in, or only to the ones who have checked in and watched the session and then checked out from the session. So those who check out from the session, only those attendees would be able to take the survey. Or you can also set it to moderators only, so only the moderators of the session can provide the feedback for this session. So I would set it to all attendees for now, and then I would click on save. And once I click on save, I can see how this looks like in the front end on the website. So I'd click on the preview button. There it is. This is the session, and this is the take a survey button. So one would provide the feedback, and then finally submit the session, and then close the pop-up. And to see these so feedback in the backend, you have to go to forms, surveys. There you can see all the survey forms that you have created. So you can also search for the survey form by the name. This is the one. You can see the list of participants here, and there you can see their respective feedback. And if you want to see the report, this is where you can see the report of how where you can see a visual graph of um, uh, how many of them have answered uh, what on the respective questions. And you can also customize the default fields that are there in the default survey form. So to do that, you have to go to Form Builder and then click on Survey Forms. And there you can search for the survey form that you want to customize. For example, I want to customize this one. So to click on Edit, and there I can see all these default questions, and I can then edit it and change the field name, title, scale range, or I can also change the field type to something else. I can change add additional options using these buttons here, and yeah. So and you can also copy this field into the other survey forms by simply clicking on this button here, and then selecting all the you have to select all the survey forms where you want to replicate this field. So if you have, let's say, 50 sessions, and if for each session you have created the survey form with the default fields and you want to change it, so you do not have to go to each form one by one. You can simply go to one form, make the changes, and then use this option and replicate it for all the sessions, for all the sessions, all the session surveys. So this is how you can uh, um, customize enable the survey form for each session. And one last thing, When you go to the surveys, you can also export all this information into CSV. You just need to go to view report, and there you can. So you have to go to view participants, and then there you can click on export to export the information into CSV. So this is how you can enable the survey form for each session, and then customize the form, and then collect the data, and then view the data from under the surveys tool, and finally export them into CSV. Thank you.